Welcome to our latest video where we're diving into the world of Tesla gadgets and accessories. If you're a proud Tesla owner or simply an EV enthusiast, you're in for a treat. We've handpicked 18 must-have gadgets that will not only elevate your Tesla driving experience but also make your journey smarter and more enjoyable. So, let's explore these essential additions for the modern EV owner. Fast charging Level 2 charging station, a powerful solution for Tesla car owners. With a 32A output, it provides 22 to 24 miles of range per hour, eliminating range anxiety. The app lets you track and schedule charging for cost savings. Quality is guaranteed with a 25 feet cable and IP66 waterproof rating. Safety features include a NEMA 1450 plug and an emergency stop switch. Plus, it's compatible with all US car models, including Tesla, thanks to the included adapter. Ultra mini screen display for safer driving. Keep your eyes on the road, reduce distractions, and enhance safety. It provides real-time data like speed, gear, and turn signals, even adapting to road speed limits. Plus, it displays various vehicle information, from temperature to tire pressure. The best part? It won't obstruct your air conditioning vents, ensuring a comfortable ride. Upgrade your Tesla experience with this sleek, safety-focused mini screen display today. Ultimate Tesla phone mount for effortless and secure phone placement. Just slide in your phone, and gravity locks it in place, no buttons to press. It's stable and easy to use, allowing quick phone access while driving. The unique 6-hook design securely attaches to your car's air vent grille without adhesive, and it's adjustable for different positions. With auto-lock technology, your phone stays in place on any road. This hub boasts 2 retractable charging cables, USB and Type-C ports, and customizable logos. It seamlessly matches your Tesla's color, preserving its sleek design. Charge multiple devices simultaneously with fast charging capabilities. Plus, the logo light lasts for 30 minutes without excessive power usage. Premium tempered glass screen protector, the ultimate safeguard for your Tesla dashboard screen. Rated at 9H hardness, it shields your screen from scratches and impacts. With an auto alignment kit, installation is a breeze. Plus, it features an oleophobic coating for matte, fingerprint-resistant clarity. Your device remains ultra-responsive, ensuring no delays. Elevate your screen protection with our top-tier solution. Swivel mount for your Tesla screen. This design fits multiple Tesla models, offering flexibility in screen positioning. Easily adjust tightness for a perfect view with included tools. Rotate your screen in 4 directions for a comfortable and safe driving experience. Installation is a breeze with given instructions, ensuring no impact on your car's functionality. Crafted from durable aluminum alloy and high-strength ABS plastic, this holder is built to last. Discover the ultimate sunroof shade for your Tesla Model Y. This shade is designed to perfection, featuring high-precision composite material with a silver reflective heat-insulated side and a luxurious silk-textured senior fabric on the other. The electroplated steel ring ensures long-lasting durability, ABS clips provide high-temperature resistance, and a premium Oxford cloth storage bag adds convenience. Upgrade your Tesla Model Y or Model 3 with this exclusive under-screen storage solution. This custom-designed storage fits perfectly beneath the center console screen, providing a tidy space for essentials like wallets, sunglasses, and cards. Maintenance is a breeze with simple cleaning using a wet cloth, and installation is hassle-free, requiring no cutting or peeling. Crafted from durable ABS, it's built to last, and silicone mats keep your items secure and noise-free. Elevate your interior organization and cleanliness with this tailored, quality solution. Meticulously designed center console organizer. Tailored for the latest models, it fits flawlessly without compromising original functionality. Crafted with durable ABS and noise-reducing flocking, it's wear-resistant and keeps items secure and silent on the road. Maximize storage with a privacy drawer, easily accessible yet discreet. Installation is effortless, and cleaning is a breeze. Enhance your Tesla's elegance with these upgraded Tesla logo projector puddle lights. They offer a stable structure and secure installation. Tailored to fit specific Tesla models, these lights are compatible with original door lights. Installation is a breeze, with no drilling or wiring needed, just 3 minutes per door. Experience ultra-bright clarity with high transmission lenses and quality lamp beads, ensuring a lasting, radiant projection. Elevate your Tesla Care with OMT's lifting Jack Pad set. Safely lift your Tesla without damage. Simply find the lift points and insert the pads. They're equipped with O-rings and a grid texture for a secure grip. Crafted from durable rubber, these pads ensure secure and damage-free lifting. Plus, the provided storage case keeps them organized and ready for use. Multi-purpose car vacuum for Tesla, combining a vacuum cleaner, inflator, and mini blower in one versatile tool. This set includes various nozzles, a USB-C cable, and a storage bag for various cleaning needs, all in a cordless and lightweight design. With a powerful 16 kPa suction and 2-level adjustment, it easily handles dust, pet hair, and debris. The triple filtration system ensures peak performance. Plus, its 8,000 mAh battery provides up to 40 minutes of cleaning, and the clear dust cup and easy maintenance make it hassle-free. Custom designed dashboard cover wrap. Crafted from high-quality ABS plastic in a sleek matte carbon fiber pattern, these covers not only enhance your car's interior but are also easy to clean. The elegant matte white ABS plastic design adds sophistication to your vehicle, giving it a professional and luxurious look. Plus, installation is a breeze with no tools required. Protect your Tesla cars with precision using our door lock protector. Designed with the car's exact specifications in mind, it securely fastens with a precision buckle for flawless protection. Crafted from durable stainless steel, it not only adds elegance but also ensures longevity. No need to remove any parts or screws, simply stick it on with adhesive tape in just minutes. These covers safeguard your locks, reduce friction, add weight to the mechanism, and enhance your car's overall appearance. Custom designed steering wheel cover set. Tailored precisely for Tesla car models, it seamlessly fits without affecting essential functions, offering protection and a sporty elegance. Crafted from high-quality carbon fiber texture full leather, it ensures comfort in all seasons. Installation is a breeze, and maintenance is easy, just wipe it clean. This cover shields your steering wheel from extreme temperatures and provides a secure grip, enhancing control. Introducing the LISEN Tesla phone mount, which is universally compatible, even for non-MagSafe phones, thanks to included metal rings. With 20 permanent magnets, your phone stays securely attached. Nano-grade honeycomb adhesive ensures strong, lasting adherence, even in extreme conditions. Tesla neck pillow, where comfort meets luxury. Crafted with imported pearl cotton filling and genuine Nappa leather to match your Tesla's seat, it's designed for safety, passing rigorous SGS tests. Customize your comfort with adjustable thickness and 2 strap lengths for the perfect fit. The meticulous craftsmanship seamlessly blends with Tesla's high standards, making the strap invisible when in use. Elevate your driving experience with the Tesla neck pillow, where comfort, style, and safety unite. Meet the Alset tray, the solution that keeps you all set in your Tesla. This versatile tray seamlessly fits your car, perfect for holding your essentials during autopilot, road trips, or at charging stations. No more mess in your car, keep it all on the tray. It's passenger friendly, offering extra storage and even a table for 2. Easy to install and store, simply fold it and slide it under your seat. Thanks for watching. You can buy these products using my links. All the product links are mentioned in the video description. Let's meet with a new video in next time.